brand new Subaru STI.
And then for the break-in period, we just keep it down. And it sounds like you're driving it just about perfect. If you hit that enter button down, it'll bring up your clock and temperature and your different stuff on that setting up there.
Okay, there we go.
That's your boost gauge there.
Sweet,
Cool.
that's perfect.
Yeah.
It's all digital too.
And that hurts them. But, you know, I like them. I'm just saying, I've seen the Subarus hold a much better value.
Subaru has the highest resale value.
The highest resale value.
Yeah, that's correct.
He bought another car from me, but I think he would have bought the STI, he would have had more car, to be honest with you.
For sure.
It's a little bigger, it's more heavier too.
The interior on this looks really good.
In that sense, right?
It's really gripping the road.
I just had an older lady on the phone and I'm explaining, she's like, well, what's the difference between four-wheel drive? So, you know, I broke it down for her. There's a big difference. You
Very
know?
big difference.
And she liked it, you know. They know when they go to Tahoe, they got a real all-wheel drive. I'm probably not going to try it, but there you go.
Yeah, this goes, man.
Yeah,
and you can hear the turbo spool even stock.
0 to 60 quick.
It's to drive one of these newer STIs.
Yeah.
I mean, just being a passenger in it feels pretty good.
Yeah, it's what it is.
The clutch grips. But I mean, with that, you're getting a lot more interior in this car.
Yeah, you do. You get more volume, more comfort. Realistically, it'll ride better on the overall. So it gives it a little chance.
I like the short shifter in this too. The throat is so short. Yeah, but it wasn't a new one. Yeah, blow off valve right at 4. Sounds good. This is stock too. Yeah. The exhaust sounds really good for stock, and I like the short throw that they have on this.
They got it.
And the seats, they're not too bolstered.
No,
like they're bolstered enough.
It bolsters you real posturally correct.
Yeah,
sounds so good.
It's not like an obnoxious note either.
No, it's not.
It's something you want to wake up to every morning. But it's pretty.
They rip.
It's pretty small, light.
They're amazing.
I mean, it rips for sure.
They're amazing. They are.
This thing picks up speed too.
Yeah, this thing, yeah. But compared to this, man, makes me want to go to the next level.
Yeah, it's a little heavier car. This car, you know, the way it's built.
Can't do it on the Focus ST just because they're all front-wheel drive.
The tubular.
Really good safety ratings, right?
Yeah, tubular impact door beams, not a flat bar.
No,
It's a round tubular, so they're into it. You know, they spend the money back into the cars. They're making more cars than they used to, but it's not in mass production. More than 2. That's the truth.
You have a fleet of them.
Now the WRXs, we've seen that we've been able to have 4 and 5 and 7. Not even 4 and 5 at a time.
Right?
Yeah, we're gonna hang it right here.
But those are 10,000 less than this, so more people are picking them up.
Yeah, you can get a WRX at base for 29 with the sticker. I mean, just on the sticker.